Healthy duck feed. Hold on. So lovely. Pour some there. Pour one in front of there. Why not? Hold on. That's a flattering angle, isn't it? I'm being sarcastic. Honestly. Alright, one there. And look at Mr. Broken Winged Duck. She's mad. They're mad. They're fighting. Of course they are enjoying the feed. Of fucking course. Just put my stuff back in my bag. Yeah, and I come here later during the day. It's normally packed. Somewhat. Where you at? There you are. Well, the sky isn't fluorescent anymore. They have food. Of course, the geese are the first ones to try it.